Hey folks, I'm Dennis. Thanks for watching my video. If you've got an old random orbital sander, this is my old Ryobi. I've been using this thing for years. After a while, the backing pad gets worn out, so you have to replace it. A lot of people don't know that you can replace these. You can usually go online or go to your local tool supply store, big box store, whatever, and buy another backing pad. It's real simple to replace, and it'll keep your sanding jobs looking a lot better if you keep a decent pad on your sander all the time. So anyway, I'm going to run through this real quick. I'll show you what I bought and how to do it, and get you back sanding in good shape in no time. Thanks for watching. Let's get started. So the random orbital that I use is an older Ryobi. I've probably had this thing for I don't know, 10 or 15 years, maybe longer than that. It's an RS240. So I went online, and it's a 5-inch sander. I went online and I found a new backing pad for it. It was just a few bucks, pretty cheap. On mine, I like to use Velcro pads because I use Velcro sanding discs. Makes it quick and easy. So the first thing you're going to have to do is get this pad off. You can just replace these as well. You can buy just new Velcro pads and then glue them on. I think most of them come with an adhesive back on them, but or sometimes use spray glue, depends on your sander. But anyway, just peel that off, and then it'll reveal 4 screws. Now, your sander may be a little different. There may be 3 screws, 5 screws, I don't know, but this is how generally almost all of them are made. And then you take the pad off by taking these screws out. So I'm just going to remove the screws. These are Phillips head. And then the pad just comes off. It's a good time to clean this out if you want to. While I'm in here, I'm just going to take a little parts brush and break all that dust that's kind of solidified in there, and we'll break it up and just knock it out of there. Not that it's really going to hurt anything, but it doesn't hurt to get it out either. And if you got compressed air, you could probably take it and blow it out. I don't think this is part of the replaceable stuff, but if it is, I'll find out in a minute. On this particular sander, it's got some little keys on that baffle, so you got to make sure you get the keys in the keyways. And then the new pad, it just comes with new pad, new backer, and new Velcro sheet. So kind of easy peasy. Line up a hole. And we'll get the first screw started, and then just worry about a second hole and then get it started, and then the other two will be lined up. There we go. Yeah, if there's a spline, depending on your sander, if there's a spline or anything like that in there, you got to make sure that you're lined up on that, and that this backing pad is seated all the way down on your sander like it's supposed to be. If it's not, it'll definitely affect how your screws line up, or should anyway. Snug them up. Before you put your new Velcro pad on there, make sure it's looks like it's turning right. And you may or may not want to start it up. Shouldn't have to. As long as it's on there snug, you should be fine. Then your new Velcro pad is just peel and stick. peel it and stick it. Now, the way I do mine, you can do yours how you want, but the way I do mine is I don't peel the whole thing off. I peel about half of it off, and then I get half of it lined up, and then I pull the backing out of the rest. That way it keeps me from making a mistake. Or keeps it from being as likely anyway. If I get these holes lined up, you get 3 of them lined up, you're good to go. And then I'll just peel the rest of that out, and I can press it on. And all lined up. Ready to go. Now I can put sandpaper on here on my new pad. Simple little job. So that's it. Easy way to kind of refurbish your sander. Get a new pad on there and be ready to do some nice sanding jobs. So thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Check out some of my other videos. I've got videos on shop issues, things to build. I've got automotive repair, lawn equipment maintenance, things like that. So if you would, give me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you back soon. Thanks a lot, and God bless you.